Hey guys, Gordon here. This video I want to show you today how simple, how easy it is to do an estimate with our system. I have found this to be, and I've used to own a roofing company. The thing I hated the most was getting in a truck and driving to a house and get up on a roof and measuring a roof just to compete with somebody else. So I found a way to make this so much easier. So let me shrink me down here. This here is our roofing calculator. We're going to customize this for your company. So put your name up here on the top. That's not all we're doing. Down here under roofing types down here, if you hit on this tab, it opens up and it shows all these different kinds of roofing. So what we're going to do is we're going to have you give us what you charge per square for each one of these kinds of roofing. And if there's something you don't do, like maybe you don't do slate roofing, we'll just take that out of the list, okay? But you're going to give us a price per square on a single story house, one layer of old roof, to do this, okay? So what? Well, let me just jump into this way, and I'll show you how we're going to do this. So, babe, we're gonna outline this house right here. Here's the satellite view of it. You can see it's got dormers here, and it's got wall flashing. And if you hold the mouse on it for a second, I think it will come up and show the actual street view. It looks like it's probably a 312, maybe a 412 pitch. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back into this view. We're going to click on this. Right click with your mouse. This works best on a PC or a Mac, not so much on a cell phone or a tablet. So we're going to click on the right side of this, go down measure distance, and then you're just going to outline this house. And come right back where you started, and now it's going to give you a dimension here of 2310. So that's 2300, that's 23 squares basically, but that's two-dimensional, right, left, up, and down. It is not 3D because we don't have the pitch in it yet. So we built this calculator to allow for that pitch. So we're going to take this number, 2310, that's the square footage of this roof, okay? We're going to come into our calculator, we're going to come up here to the top little green box and type in 2310. Done. Okay, would we say it was a 312 pitch maybe? So a 312 pitch, so 312, you're pretty flat. 612, 912. It just takes more roofing to get up steeper, right? So we just made this a three-dimensional measurement that fast. So now here's where the part comes in, where you're going to say, what about those valleys? Well, you're giving me a price per square to replace all the metal, everything but replace some dry or outer plywood, okay? So basically do the tear off, one layer, do the tear off, put new metal on it or put underlayment on it, whether it be felt or underlayment. Put new drip metal on it, valley metal, wall metal if it needs it. You're giving me that price, okay? So basically, you're starting out up here, and as a rough estimate, you give them that price, and they say, yeah, I'd like to do it. Then you go out and you have them sign a contract. You might be able to knock that down a little bit or leave it up there, whatever, okay? So basically, you're just going to give me a price for 30-year asphalt, 50-year asphalt, sheet or shake, metal, concrete tile, slate, TPO roofing for flat or torch down. So you're going to give me the prices for all the stuff that you do. If there's something here you don't do, we'll remove it off this list, okay? So these are going to be your prices. So when it's all said and done, we'll give you the code for this that you can put in your website, okay? So you have it. Plus, for $49 per year, that's it. No hidden costs. That's it. You will get this in a profile page in our directory. Our directory is called freeroofquote.com. So you get that for $139 per year. You'll get a complete profile page that includes pictures, all of your contact info, all your social media contacts, links, all that stuff that basically will help the SEO, also backlink to your website. So you get this in there, plus your pictures, all that stuff. It's a great profile page for $139 per month. Okay, it's called freeroofquote.com. We built it to be more like a phone book than a lead generating system. It does have lead generation. So basically, if you do the $49 one, that is with leads. Basically, you have your calculator there, but there's no phone numbers posted. Your website is posted for that $49. You get your backlink and the calculator. So they could click, they could click and go to your website and get all your your contact info that way. But the complete profile that we have, complete profile page. It's just a great, it's just a great, it's a great offer we're giving you, and it's just a great tool. So to get to it, guys, you're gonna come into freeroofquote.com, and over here on the right it says Customize Roofing Calculators. You click on that, it'll take you to this page that we're on. You scroll down to the bottom, past the calculator, past my little video there, and there's a form here. You fill out this form, send it in. I will start building your profile page. When I get it set, I will send you an email. And that email, you have to click back into our system and through off the password and the username that you give me in this form, and you'll have to activate your account. It's basically just so you put in your credit card info. I don't want it. I don't want to touch it. You put it in. It's really that simple. Oh, and by the way, guys, in this video right here, I take a roof and I measure it with a tape measure, and then I do it the way I just did it, and it comes out within 90, I think it's 90 square feet difference. And that's just because when I put these dots on, I might have not hit the corners exactly on when I did it, because this measurement came out 90 square feet bigger than when I measured it with the tape. So anyway, guys, that's it in a nutshell. freeroofquote.com. Take a look at it. $49 per year, no hidden fees. That's it. Or $139 per year with a complete profile page in our freeroofquote.com. Oh, and guys, we are doing great in Google. If you go and you just type in free roof quotes, we're right there on the front page on Google and Bing. Go DuckDuckGo. If you go with free roof estimates, we're there. We're working on roofing contractors per city, and we're doing all right, but we're not quite where I want to be. But anyway, for $139 per month, it only takes one roof, and you pay for the whole year. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.